My ceramic coat is back to being Gucci. Last week we ended up doing the shit, I forgot what it is. The carpro reset or reload. Oh no, it's the reload, I think. And we applied that to the ceramic so it could get a little shinier again, and the water wasn't beading as much as it should have. But it's back to normal. Hey, what was it? The reload that we applied?
Yeah, it's reload.
And now it's golden. Well, where's the dirty spot? You got this side. We got this, except they can't really see much, but it's filthy.
Yeah.
There you go. No need to scrub. You ain't gotta fuck up your baby. Oh yeah, the boys. Hell yeah. Team UPS. Except we got no car parts today, but next time. Let's start scrubbing on the wheels. In here, so this is the only time I know, any brush you want. I even clean the inside of the barrels. This is about the only time, because I definitely don't do this at home. Shout out to Rays, my boys. I got some dope wheels, even though I want some 3-piece, but we broke, boys. Yes, sir. The car's dry. Don't even dry it. Right off. Got another layer of reload. I keep forgetting. I almost confuse reload and reset all the time. I don't know why. And, oh, dude, you can see the pearl even right here. It just makes everything come back to life. For those of you that don't know, this is a ultra white pearl from Lexus. So it's not the Hyundai paint. All right, so the whip is clean. We're ready to roll out. We're gonna go hit up a Boba spot, Eyefinitea. Grab some Boba. I'll zoom up into the paint again real quick. You can see all the nice flakes in there. So that reload stuff does the trick for sure. Sheesh, that vinyl wrap looks all kinds of crazy. Same thing with the Prius, except the Prius is a little more subtle with the white. Jeremy's just wildin'. Anyways, we out to grab some Boba. After the Boba, we will go and take some pictures. All right, so we made it to Eyefinitea, boys. This is what I was talking about. This is a spot you want to come for any kind of Boba drink. For sure where you want to come. Oh baby, we just made Eyefinitea a whole lot better. Went next door, grabbed some tacos Ameca. Let's go to town, boys. We got some energy to go shoot some pictures. Well, today's already the day after, and guess where we're back? This would be the Cookie Monster right here. You get a whole breakfast and a drink.